Well, I think the core message I want to share with the students and faculty that I've met is that young people, and every single one of us, can make a tremendous difference in the world around us. My name is Varshini Prakash. I'm the executive director of Sunrise, which is an organization that is mobilizing young people to stop the climate crisis and create millions of good jobs in the process. And I'm here meeting with hundreds of students and faculty as part of the Rose Walters Prize for Global Environmental Activism. But more than anything, I think I see my chief role here to push people to rise above the fear and the anxiety, to push through and actually reach for each other and build something that is far greater than what each of us individually could achieve, and to take action for the benefit of the world at large. We have so much power and potential to shape the world, and we have a huge responsibility to do it with an issue as big as the climate crisis.